Welcome guys. Now we shall learn more on printf function. So as you remember, in the first video we learned how to code about hello world program. There we wrote in a single line, and I gave you a task to write about yourself in a single line. So when we have to write in a multiple line, then how are we gonna do that? We'll come to know that later. But now coming to the this code, to sum two numbers 5 plus 7, here we get the value of sum, that is 12, and we print it simply. Let's check it once again. Control plus F9. The sum is 12. This is because the sum is modulus d, so modulus d contains the value of sum, so the sum is 12. What if we want to show the sum of 5 and 7 is 12? For this we can do this. The sum of modulus d and modulus d is modulus d. So we have three modulus d. In the first place of modulus d we want the value 5, that is the value of a. So after this thing put a comma and write a. Okay, so the sum of 5 and 7, so here we need 7, so the value of 7 is in b, so we'll put b, comma, is modulus d. What is the sum? That is 12, is this thing. Now we edit it, so we need to do alt F9, enter, control F9. See, we got the sum of 5 and 7 is 12. So we can display this way. Now coming next, if you want to display in a multiple line, then how we are gonna do that? Suppose I need the sum of modulus 5 and 7 is, the answer should be in the next line, then how I am gonna do that? Coming here, I'll put this one, tilted slash n for new line, alt F9, success, control F9. See guys, the sum of 5 and 7 is 12 and one space is there. Just check it nicely. It is because after this n I have given a space. Again alt F9, enter, control F9, control F9. See, the sum of 5 and 7 is 12, and now the 12 is exactly below the word d. In a similar way, every space matters. Whatever you print in this printf will be displayed same. So we came to know this slash, this tilted slash n means something. It stands for new line. Similarly, if I put slash t, it means a tab. Let us see how it works. Alt F9, control F9. See, the sum of 5 and 7 is, with a tab space, you got the answer 12. Now let's erase everything. Okay, I told you guys to ratify this syntax, and I have told you already what is the meaning of each and everything. You can use clear screen, CLR to clear the screen for the previous result. Now we shall see printf function. How does it work? So the syntax is this: you have to put a semicolon after this thing or it won't work. Suppose I want to print my name is Raj, okay, and then I want to add a new line. You can either see in the last space, if you put a space also, then it is not visible whether you keep a space or not. If you insert slash and insert this thing, then it has a keyword already defined that it will provide you a new line. Now coming next, don't put a space. If you put a space, then again below the word my there will be a space. So here you can give a space over here. My name is Raj, and see, it seems like an and, right? But it's not an and. Slash, this and will work differently and will work differently. And am an engineer. Engineer. So let's print. We'll get a space, a new line. My name is Raj and I'm an engineer. Next, what we can do is, I think it might be okay for this video. So see you in the next video.